before the bridge was even open, 96 old engines were used to carry the weight of the bridge. And here's my offsider now.
Yeah, so to test the weight, is that what it was for? To test the strength of the bridge?
Yeah.
Wow, that was a brave train driver to go over the first time.
And that happened in January of 32.
Okay, wow.
So 2 months before the bridge opened.
Okay, wow.
So electric power lines were erected for trams to go over, and the Sydney rail system. And that train was from Wynyard Station. So the Sydney Harbour Bridge, as we said at the start of the program, is one of Sydney's most iconic structures in Australia. And as you can see there, it is nearing completion. Here's my offsider.
It's also quite a beautiful structure, don't you think?
And it's also quite a beautiful structure.
It's lovely.
And we are proud of this Australian icon turning 88 today. So as we said in the first part of the video about the bridge, it was opened on March the 19th, 1932. So the bridge is still going strong.
Yeah. And yeah, it looks, and they do maintenance on it every day. So
Yeah.
they're continually painting the bridge to keep it from, I guess, the salt damage. And I guess that would be quite a big job to keep the bridge sealed.
Yes. And also, as we said, by the middle of 1927, the Northern Approach Viaduct would soon reach the Milsons Point pylon near where Luna Park now stands, on the northern side of the bridge. And construction on the right in the photo was kept 7 months behind. So if there were any problems on the southern side, steps were taken to remedy them on the northern side. And by 1930, the two harbour arches were coming together.
Wowie.
So it is amazing to look back over the bridge's history.
Yeah.
And that is what this video is about this morning. But coming up in 40 minutes time, we'll be talking about the tolls for the bridge and how much the tolls were before we got on the bridge. So we'll be back with part 3 very shortly.